If you own a Cadillac, Chevrolet, Buick, or GMC from 2020 or later, your car is about to get noticeably smarter completely for free. Google Gemini is rolling out over the air to roughly 4 million GM vehicles in the United States. Your dashboard is becoming a proper AI assistant, no new car required, no subscription on top. Gemini replaces the older Google Assistant in the dashboard. Instead of memorizing specific commands, you can now speak naturally, ask follow-up questions, change topic mid-sentence, same wake word, but a completely different brain behind it. The tail is a 4-colour light bar that appears across the screen when you're talking to it. You can ask a Gemini to plan a road trip and pull up restaurants along your route. It can summarise a podcast you missed and read it back to you. You can have your incoming text read aloud and reply by voice. It works with Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube and HBO Max, so it can build a playlist that matches your mood without ever taking your hands off the wheel. For tradespeople and long-haul drivers, this is genuinely useful. Ask Gemini to plan the most fuel-efficient route across multiple stops, find trailer-friendly parking nearby, locate the cheapest petrol along your day's run. The bigger story, though, is that GM is dropping Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from all future cars by 2028, so Gemini is not just an upgrade, it's the replacement. The update arrives over several months, not all at once. When yours is ready, you'll see a notification on the infotainment screen. 3 things you need to opt in. You must be connected to OnStar with voice assistants, signed into the Google Play Store and using US English as your assistant language. For 2025 model year cars and newer, OnStar voice assistants is included free for 8 years. This is one of the largest single rollouts of conversational AI ever. 4 million cars getting smarter overnight, and GM has already said a deeper integration with OnStar's own data is coming later this year. A question for the comments: if your car suddenly had a proper conversational AI in the dashboard, what's the first thing you'd ask it to do?